In celebration of National Community Health Center Week, the Alameda Health Consortium and the Community Health Center Network extend our appreciation to all clinic staff. While some individuals are receiving special recognition today, we want to congratulate all of you for your dedication and commitment to community-based health centers and the health of our communities. This reception is in your honor.
Pat Aguilera is one of a kind. She has been a fierce supporter and advocate for the underserved for the last 30-plus years. In 1975, Pat's journey in the health center world was just beginning. She worked at La Clinica, which at the time was a little itsy-bitsy storefront clinic. She has a 30-year history of leading and managing complex financial, business, and operation systems in healthcare administration. Pat is the person CEOs call when they mean business. Business with a capital B. Most recently, she worked as the Chief Financial Officer at La Clinica, where she helped us navigate a tremendous and challenging time. Each clinic and organization she has ever worked at is stronger and thriving because of her dedication and hard work. In many ways, she is our champion. I am truly honored to recognize this one-of-a-kind woman, Pat Aguilera. Since its inception, La Clinica has always offered a wide range of perinatal services to pregnant women, their infants, and families. At La Clinica, we have incredible teams of dedicated staff and providers in all our 3 counties providing this care to women and families who really need it. These teams fight to get people coverage if they don't have it. They bend over backwards to accommodate late entries into care. We know it gives our patients great comfort to know that they'll have La Clinica at their side, often speaking their native language. I'm incredibly proud of the services we provide to over 2,000 families every year. Squarely at the helm, developing and improving and growing this program for the past 20 years is our own Earth Mother, Dr. Susan Sykes. Susan, to you and the incredible family of caregivers you've helped build, water, and support, thank you, thank you, thank you, and congratulations. Since 1999, Leslie has worked tirelessly on behalf of La Clinica and has successfully overseen efforts to expand and integrate behavioral health. She has been at the helm of behavioral health through chronic understaffing and ensured that La Clinica has been able to provide high-quality behavioral healthcare services. The number of patients seen by behavioral health has grown from 1,000 clients in 2005 to over 6,000 in 2015. She often works late into the night. She's quick to smile and always ready to lend a helping hand to staff and colleagues. She always considers the impact on patients and the larger community in her decisions and is a strong advocate on behalf of low-income clients at the state and local levels. Leslie has received many awards for her service. Thank you, Leslie, for your outstanding service.
Our outstanding board member this year is Jenny Alexich. Jenny has been on our board of directors for more than 15 years. She's been in the healthcare field for quite a long time, including serving as director of the New Bridge Foundation and director of alcohol and drug programs for Marin County and a senior planner for Alameda County Healthcare Services Agency and Alameda County Medical Centers. Over the years, she has been the lead person on our board Human Resources Committee, and she's also been my go-to advisor on basic nonprofit issues. Jenny is always known to be level-headed, calm, and supportive of the work that we do at Lifelong. She is the one who's telling us what a fantastic job we do, boost us up, keep us going day to day when the job gets hard. A fantastic board member for all these years. Thank you, Jenny. Our Excellence in Clinical Services awardee is Yui Nishiki. Yui is a nurse practitioner and heads our triage department at Lifelong West Berkeley Health Center. Yui has been with Lifelong since 2012. She is an amazing employee, hard worker, a perfectionist. Her staff love her and trust her. She's developed the systems and protocols that help us work with electronic health records as effectively as possible. And she also has been a leader for us amongst clinicians on alternative payment methodology. This is the move from getting paid for value versus getting paid for volume. Yui is the one who's working with how we change our nurses' roles in that process and how we think about caring for patients in a different way. Thank you, Yui. Rachel is a clinic compliance specialist at our West Berkeley clinic. She's been with us since 1998 as a medical assistant. She has been the lead in thinking about how to improve the role of our medical assistants, how to train new medical assistants, and how to make sure that all of our MAs are ready to deal with our new way of working as a team. She's also become West Berkeley's compliance specialist, making sure that licenses are up to date, trainings are taken care of, and that the clinic is running in a way that's compliant with all of our regulations. I would say that she's also sought out by the other clinics to help them think about the best way to do their work as well. We're very proud to work with her and congratulate her on this award.
Liz is Access's Chief of Clinic Operations. This is a senior management position, and Liz is responsible for all of the clinic operations at all of our sites. She is an exceptional leader in every respect, and she has the gift of being able to help everyone on her staff become the best that they can be, and she is skilled in developing leaders amongst our staff. She mentors them, guides them, and gives them the tools they need to succeed. Over the past year, Liz has been especially challenged as we have opened a new clinic site that has doubled our capacity. For Liz, this has meant a huge hiring push as we bring on more than 50 new employees. She has also overseen the development of the clinical areas of the site. Through all of this, Liz is famous for her smile and her gentle way of getting things done. Liz, from all of us at Access, thank you so very much for what you have accomplished this year and for the steady and wonderful leadership you bring to our senior team and to all of our clinical services. Access is honoring Brenda Jorgensen as its Employee of the Year. Brenda has the official title of Executive Assistant, but there's this interesting little line that we put on all job descriptions at Access that says other duties as assigned, and that's pretty much what Brenda has done for us this year. Brenda is Access's only executive assistant, which means that she is supporting all of us at Access. The word multitasking was invented to describe Brenda. In the span of a couple minutes, she can set up a committee meeting for the board, arrange for a staff webinar, order supplies, and make certain that a new employee feels welcome. She also manages to be everywhere and fixes problems before they even happen. Over the past year, Brenda has been our point person for many of the logistics in opening our new site, which involved overseeing a massive furniture order and installation and closing 2 administrative sites and moving staff to 3 different locations. Brenda also provided key support to our capital campaign and has served as our point person for logistics, events, and the operations of the campaign. She has a heart of gold, and most importantly, she lives and breathes Access's mission. Brenda, thank you for all that you do for Access.
The enrollment team is being honored for excellence in patient services. Our team of dedicated counselors spends each day ensuring all patients obtain and maintain health insurance. They are the embodiment of the belief that healthcare is not just important to achieve, it is imperative. In fiscal year 2015-16, they touched the lives of over 4,800 patients by either enrolling or re-enrolling them in a health program. Additionally, they assisted another 7,000 patients that walked in or called with a question or problem. The enrollment team pursues new enrollees within the community with the important message of the value of healthcare, with over 70 events attended this year. A small and mighty team, you are our superstars. Rosalba Guerrero, Alex Garcia, Erica Alvarez, Sharon Emery and Myra Zamora. We thank you for your great work.
Our Community Health Education Department, known as CHE, is a beacon to our clinics and community. They assess the community needs, implement and evaluate effective programs, and act as a resource of health education for members of the community. They are out and about in our cities, working to improve our communities and encouraging our patients to take care of their health. By working out and reaching to the community, they eliminate cultural and linguistic barriers and improve access to care. Our CHE department leads the Promotora program. The Promotora program is a nationally recognized program which empowers and informs community residents to take responsibility for their own health. Many times, Promotoras are the first and only resource for new immigrants, low-income and monolingual speaking families. Without the direction and support of the Promotora and the CHE departments, many would continue to face barriers to quality health care. Please join me in congratulating the CHE department on all of their achievements. Jaime Patino is a native son of Union City, California, the starting place of Tiburcio Vasquez Health Centers. Jaime is a well-respected, deeply involved member in his community. Recently, Jaime was awestruck when he saw a photo taken sometime in the early 70s of the trailer that served as TVHC's first clinic being pulled down 9th Street in Union City. He could not contain his excitement, particularly when he saw his grandparents' home in the background. This speaks to his deep connection to the organization, which was furthered when he joined the board of directors in July 2014. Jaime has proven to be a tremendous asset to the board of directors, contributing direction and thoughtful contributions. Recently, Jaime was voted chair of the Finance Committee, utilizing his strong background in finance and healthcare operations. Please join me in congratulating Jaime Patino for his outstanding work as a board member of Tiburcio Vasquez Health Centers. Our clinical site managers provide site management and ensure smooth operations for our clinical facilities. They are a key liaison and conduit of information between staff and management that enhance operations. They face the daily tactical issues of site management and aid in the fulfillment of strategic goals. You can always count on our operations site managers to help you or answer any questions you may have when you step into any of our clinics. Ensuring smooth operations for our clinical facilities is not easy, but they do it exceptionally well. Whether they are helping a patient access care or revising schedules when last-minute changes arise, or training staff on new policies and procedures, they manage to do it with a smile on their faces. Site managers are also great colleagues. They encourage staff, facilitate trainings, and do whatever they can to make sure their coworkers feel supported. Please join me in congratulating our clinical site managers for their outstanding work in support of our mission here at TVHC.